Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus IS300 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and cool to the touch for safety. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb's glass, ensuring its longevity and proper function. Next, open your car's hood and find the rear of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips to get clear access. These are usually held by simple fasteners. Once clear, gently twist the bulb's housing about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. This action will unlock the bulb from its position within the headlight assembly, preparing it for removal. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing a small tab and pulling. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and firmly insert it into the socket. Remember, avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Finally, twist the new bulb's housing clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it's snug. Replace any plastic covers or clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is fastened properly. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm both the low and high beams are working correctly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.